Hi everyone, so today we will learn how to set up custom tuning parts like wheels. We will learn how to set up bonnets and bonnets. Also we will learn how to use module manager, and we will learn how to set up wheel rotation, how to set up decals. Okay, now we will get started from decals. Okay, so now I find decals, it's just sprite list, and now we add them to the tuning array from car handler. So let's click left control button and left mouse button. The main feature of decal is that it needs attached to any part, and so we can resize it and move. Okay, so now we are going to add custom wheels. So let's go to the tuning collection. And now we are going to the examples folder and add example wheel to the tuning collection. So before it we should create left and right prefab. So let's say that it is right game object. So then we make the same with the left wheel. I do the same strange namings because it gives a system better understand the typization. So now we are going to the tuning collection and add wheels there. Here we push left wheel, and right wheel we will add as add right wheel. Also it's available to replace left wheel, but we don't need this. Also tuning parts images generated automatically, but you can manually replace them. So now we are going to car handler and we'll test wheels. Yes, we see the bug. So to fix the bug of model, we need to replace pivot in 3D model software, or just add game object with the right pivot. So we try the way by replacing game objects pivot to correct, because on the root of model there are mesh render and mesh filter, so I just duplicated object and place the root of root. Okay, now do the second try. So now we see that wheels flipped, so we correct pivot. And now we do the third try, and you see that all is correct. And now we can try to set up custom bonnets and bonnets. Also custom parts you can find in examples folder. We same do as we added wheels, but here we need to do it in correct for us and our style order. Okay, and now as
yes, you need just
see,
do this.
all works.
So try to change
Next,
the
we are
back
going
with
to talk
fix.
about
Also,
module
I want
manager,
just to
which
show you
allows you to disable asset features
the example
while disabling
of
you
usage
reduce application size
module manager. Okay, so we
it gives us
all code is
maximum of
modular,
modularity.
or so we can
Now we are
disable
going to talk
features
about
that
price
we
module.
don't need.
Price
For example, we
module
have
allows
price
you to
module,
set
so we just
or
can
tune
to array
part
set
price and
custom
as
price.
you see it
Okay,
saves,
just
but
price. So
not
we
every
just
needed
can
it, so we can disable it and
remove
just some
and
clicks to disable refresh editor and
save.
wait.
So
Yes, you
yes,
see it
it's saved.
was
So
disabled.
now we don't have price, and every price data
So
we
wrote
wrote
physics that
now
allows
don't
you
compile.
to save
Also
wheels
we
when
have
you
Yetis
change
vehicle physics
it for
module.
the car.
It
Save it for
while
Yetis
tuning
vehicle physics.
it helps to
So
keep
we
wheels
can
in wheel controller.
disable it.
So
Now,
but after we
if we
disable
disable it
this module
and
try to
change
update system.
wheels,
Okay,
for example, wait.
which
Yes,
the module is changed.
and now we
So
can
and now we just try
change
to replace wheels,
maybe.
for example with
And
this, and go to
now we
vehicle
are going
controller,
to
and you see
vehicle
they are
controller
missing.
and see that
So we
they are
can
missing.
turn
So
back
we can
those
enable
module.
them
Just
back.
go to module
Just
manager
click on
and
plus
press
and
and get this vehicle
refresh.
physics. Just double click
And
will
just
update system.
we need
yes, update. Maybe it's updated.
okay,
We'll
let's
check
click apply, and
okay.
we see that
Yes, it may update it. No?
it will go back. Yes,
yes,
they
it's
are back.
updated, you see. So
Also we now can set wheel rotation,
wheel angle. It's enabled for all wheels
in
module.
editor.
Also we can
in
do something in play mode.
In game we can
so
change
we can
tuning
just
paths, so
replace
using example UI.
so can
Thanks for watching, guys. So please watch tutorial 3. It's advanced tutorial for setup destruction physics and a little part will be about painting tuning parts.